Alrighty, so today I'm taking my bike out for a ride. As you can see, the GPS is not working, so that should be fun. Get away from all this debris crap. Let's see if the GPS decides to work. Finally. Jeez. Alright. It's working now. That disturbed me. It really is windy. This is one of the roads I hate the most. Every single time I spin my wheels, it's bump, bump, bump. This is why I say hardtails are great urban commuters. Alright, let's pull up over this speed. Okay, so as you can see, this bad boy, disc brakes, Continentals. We got the Ride Tour. We got 32C by 700. It's a 1x10 Javanol shifters, brakes, and the original Tektro. Light, Garmin, Gopro mount, bell. Whew, a lot of breath. This fork, solid chromoly steel, TRP braking system in the front, Shimano Soras in the back, and then we got the 10x Centaur 11x42 with the Shimano Dior rear derailleur. Crank Brothers small stamp ones. I love these composite pedals, they work great. Shimano Z 1x system. As you can see, it's a GT frame. GT Avalanche 2019 women's model, size large. And if you look over here, you can see this and that. But as you can see right in here, there's nothing there. So see this? Put up here, you can't fit a single bottle, not even a Gatorade. And I have the side mount, as you can see. So I had to drop it down, and this thing's super secure, so I have no problems. I threw my Gatorade in there, we're good to go. We have the beaver tail front and back fender mounts, neck, beautiful carbon fiber, and this crappy GT seat, which I'm actually going to get changed. But this is the GT Avalanche male model seat. That's why it's, as you can see, this color over this one. I prefer this blue actually. I'm changing it with the Von Tagger Alios seat, the comp, not the premium, because that's way too expensive for me. And last but not least, race face, because the Z's only came with a 36 tooth. I know you can get 38, but it didn't come with it. And I got myself a 38 tooth with this guy. And as you can see, I put electrical tape over here in case it bounces, but it never does it. Anywho, just gonna go down the hill that I just went up, which you saw the wind. It's brutal. It's worse in real life than you see on camera. I'm gonna do that and then just go through a bit of neighborhood and then head home. Simple as that. Woo. A lot of wind too. Pushing me left. Where are you going? We're going left, man. All I know is because of COVID, I am not trying to get my parents sick, because both of them are at that age where if they got COVID, they would be not in good shape. If you can't tell, there's a lot of wind coming in. I'm going to turn left. Anyway, with that guy, he was making a right, or at least he technically made a left. But the issue is he swerved right and then went left, which quite frankly he never blinkered. He went right in order to go left first, as in he swung out. What he did was a complete jackass move, and well, as far as I'm concerned, if this wasn't COVID time, I would have got off my bike and I would have been yelling at the guy, and if he came at me, well, he's about to get a punch in the face. These are not normal times. And as far as I'm concerned, you go near people who are like that, trust me, you're gonna catch something. Like I said, easiest thing to do, or well, in some cases the hardest thing to do is just walk away. But in these situations, it's the best move you can do. Because I mean, if I lived alone, even then, catching COVID could be a death sentence for a lot of people. Considering the fact that I used to have asthma, I mean, I still feel like I do, but I don't. But the fact of the matter is if I caught it, I could be in real bad shape.